We are Jera Line, a factory that produces cable infrastructure products for outdoor deployment. You are watching the video tutorial of fiber optic drop cable, its application and manufacturing process. The drop wire fiber optic cable was developed to connect the end user and optical network terminal for deployment of outdoor fiber cable networks. The drop cable is installed overhead via the poles by cable clamps with indicated tensile performance. The cable consists of 3 mm diameter outer polymer jacket, aramid yarns for specified tensile performance, 0.9 mm tight buffer tube for fiber protection, cladding layer of fiber core. Fiber core of different fiber standards, like G657A2, which transfer the light. Please watch the manufacturing process, where the tight buffer tube with fiber and aramid yards are covered by outer cable jacket. This made by plastic extrusion technology. After cooling process, the cable is coiling on plastic drums with the specific tension force. Each of Jera manufactured cable is tested by OTDR. The performance records are shown in inspection certificate with each cable drum. Welcome to contact us to have more details about fiber optic cables and related products.